Hello, my name is Julian Muñolaino. Today I'm going to talk about the problem that the Kendama cement factory has brought to Suezca City. Suezca is a municipality located from 1 hour to Bogota. Suezca is a beautiful town, but we have a several problems with the Kendama cement factory. Near the urban area, a problem arises due to the activity of a cement company, where the inhabitants of the municipality arise due to the emissions and noise inconvenience to the community due to their exposures. The flow of tractor trailers also affect the general of particulates matter due to the state of the roads. The people think it could have many problems for your health, and they think that the kids will have many problems also because the air contaminated is so fat for their. The problem for the kids is because near to the Kendama cement factory there are many schools and also there are a hospital. The hospital is near to the Kendama cement factory, so it's a very problem. As a recommendation to mitigate the impact of the inhabitants, I consider the following. Although the activity has been going on for several years, I recommended that the company implement measures to reduce the amount of emission and noise levels, how to submit an annual report on air quality so that it complies with current regulations. Lastly, we as citizens and inhabitants of this municipality must be concerned about future risks. I think that everyone should take care of their health. I hope that this problem is dealt with the best way for the benefit of our food and our environment. Thanks a lot.